Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall HackerRank and remove assessments from LinkedIn job posts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your HackerRank account. Once signed in, navigate to the Profile section. In your profile, look for the Assessments tab. Click on Assessments to view all of your completed assessments. Identify the assessments you wish to uninstall. Next, locate the option to remove or delete the assessments. Confirm the removal when prompted, ensuring you understand the implications. Now, head over to LinkedIn and log into your account. On your LinkedIn homepage, click on your profile picture to access your profile. Scroll down to the Featured section or any relevant sections where assessments are displayed. Locate the HackerRank assessments listed on your profile. Click the three dots or the edit icon next to the assessments. Select the option to remove the assessments from your profile. Once you have removed them, ensure your profile reflects the changes. Review your profile to confirm the assessments are no longer visible. Finally, check your privacy settings on LinkedIn to prevent future automatic sharing of assessments. Your HackerRank assessments and any related postings on LinkedIn should now be uninstalled and removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.